put back on. I'm going to do a little bit of work just to help me view some stuff. So I'm going to go onto the paint bucket and pick the color picker. And I'm going to sample this blue color right here. And then I'm just going to paint the bottom of the car that I filled in with blue. And I can even paint these two sections here because I know that I don't need these sections. So I'm just going to go around and paint the part that's not my car. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a color. I'm going to go down into colors, and I'm going to pick a nice red, and I'm going to paint this back wall that's got the CO2 cartridge. So if I cut on that, I know I am cutting on, I'm making a hole through the center of my car. This side is not making a hole through the center of my car. So now come to drawing. This is one of the few times I draw on the actual car in not straight on view. So not straight on bottom. So I'm going to round off the front of my car right now. Click. Click. And I want to get it so that it's not. I'm going to come to this edge here. And I'm going to get it so it's not dotted. If this line is dotted, it means it's going on this surface underneath here. So I'm going to come to this edge and get it so I think it looks good. Then click. And then I'm going to use push-pull. Up and down. It doesn't go up. So I tap the Control key to make a new face. And I'm going to go up and above my car here. Now this is going to make it look really weird. Completely odd. Okay? But what this is doing, SketchUp doesn't know what you want to do here. So we have to start telling it what to do. So we have this part all taken care of. And we're going to use the select tool and select this curved face, because we want to use this curved face to cut our car. And I'm going to right click on it and hit intersect faces with model. And it drew this line for me. That just cut our car. Now I'm going to close out of materials and I'm going to go to front view. On the front here I can see this piece above my car. This is my car line yet. This is my car line yet. So I'm going to use the eraser. And I'm going to erase out what I don't need above and below my car. Then I go to top view. There's that curve that I just made. So I'm going to use that eraser. And I'm going to erase out outside of my car. Don't touch that curve because it'll erase the whole car. So I always want to be ready to undo. Then if I go back to isometric, now my car is rounded in the front view. Now people say, well, it's not rounded in the front view yet. If I go to full car, it is fully rounded in the front view. And you can see it rounded there. One more little piece just to click on and delete. And there's a rounded front view of my car. Rounded down, rounded around this way.